this year I am very busy in my life. I'm a teacher and also I'm a mother. I am a member of a church activities. Some other activities is my life. So I am very busy. I don't get more time to practice this course homework. I think if I do my homework properly, I improve more better. Our sir gives more support to us. It is very useful course. Through this course, I got many information about English language, and I understand my mistake. I can understand what we use for this reference. I got many reference like proverb, like storytelling activity. Here there were many activities later before class, storytelling activity, conversation, proverb, video, doing video. Many activities there. Through this activity, I think I'm gradually improved. But sir said that this course will be ending with 15 days, but sir created a group for continuing this practice. That is very happy to me. I will try to do
Lifelong.
level best. Lifelong, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much.
Sirijan, what did she say, or what did she actually means? We have 2-month course, but we will have lifelong practice. The classes will be for 2 months. After that, they will have so many activities in the group just for practicing, right? They will have so many sessions or practice in the WhatsApp group. So there is no time limit.
I see. Okay, thank you so much. And what about next? Miss Suchita?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm here.
What would you like